Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed, stay with inspiring inputs. Free your mind. Be mindful of negativity. Negative thoughts become obsessions. Obsessions become deep emotions. Emotions become painful. Pain becomes cancerous to the body. Free the mind from poison, the poison of negativity. Your mind is a ship. It can sail across the universe as long as you don't allow negative thoughts to sink it. Stand above negativity. Dare to conquer toxic thoughts. The biggest problem any of us ever face is our own negative thinking. The great poverty is negative thinking. Negative thinking limits our understanding. Negativity will distract you from your goals, so don't entertain it. Do not allow yourself to be bogged down by the negative thinking of others. Be careful not to let negative social media life attract you to a dark way of thinking. Beware of those who are bored and not passionate about life, for they will bore you with reasons for not living. Deal with your negative patterns before they become habits, because habits are hard to break. Your thoughts carry you wherever you want to go. Weak thoughts don't have the energy to carry you far. To build self-esteem, you have to outface your negative beliefs about yourself and change them. A positive brain can never give you the negative thoughts. Positive thinking, much like negative thinking, gets easier with practice. Positive thinking and negative thinking cannot operate at the same level in your mind. One needs to be the master, and the one you feed it more will rule over the other. It is not always possible to do away with negative thinking, but with persistence and practice, one can gain mastery over them so that they do not take the upper hand. Negative thinking is contagious. Do your best not to dwell on negativity. It will consume you and prevent you from becoming your best self. Negativity is like burning plastic. While destroying itself, it annoys everyone with its stench. There are so many people who will tell you that you can't do this, but you have to make sure that your voice is not going to be one of them. We people are the great champions to make the possible things impossible by undermining our power with our negative thoughts. Hope you liked the contents. Please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Your comments and suggestions are welcome.